Hello viewers, welcome to Kalam Club Science Lessons presented by Biology Digital Buddy. Dear students, we need key to get the treasure from treasure box. In the same way, we need to understand key concepts of a particular lesson to understand that lesson properly. So in this video, from 6th class General Science, we will discuss key concepts and their definitions from Unit 3 called Animals and Their Food. Herbivores. Animals that depend on only plants for food are called herbivores. Zebra, cow, buffalo, deer are few examples for herbivores. Carnivores. Animals that depend on only animals for food are called carnivores or carnivorous animals. Lion, tiger, fox are the few examples for carnivores. Omnivores. Animals that depend on both plants and animals for food are called omnivores or omnivorous animals. Human beings, crows, bears are the few examples for omnivores. Frugivores. Animals that feed mostly on raw fruits, succulent fruits are called frugivores or frugivorous animals. Few birds, bats, bears are examples for frugivores. Suckers. The special mouth structures with which leeches stick onto the skin and suck the blood of cattle as well as humans are called suckers. Natural scavengers. Crows which live in our surroundings usually eat waste, rotten food material or decaying food material, dead animals, etc. and keep our surroundings clean are called natural scavengers. Rumination. Animals like cows, buffaloes, camels swallow food very quickly without chewing properly and store it in a part of their stomach. After some time, they sit leisurely, they take food material back from the stomach to the mouth and chew it again thoroughly. This process is called rumination. Ruminants. Animals which practice the process rumination are called ruminants. Cows, buffaloes, camels are examples for ruminants. Food chain. The sequential representation of living organisms of an ecosystem that explains who eats whom is called food chain. Producers. Organisms which use light energy or chemical energy to prepare their own food from simple inorganic material like water and carbon dioxide are called producers. Plants, algae, and few bacteria are examples for producers. Consumers. Organisms which depend on producers or other animals for food are called consumers. All animals are examples for consumers. Primary consumers. Animals which depend on only producers for food are called primary consumers. All herbivores are examples for primary consumers. Secondary consumers. Animals which depend on primary consumers for food are called secondary consumers. Tertiary consumers. Animals which depend on secondary consumers for food are called tertiary consumers or top carnivores. Decomposers. The organisms which get energy by breaking down the dead plants, animals, and decaying substances are called decomposers. These decomposers are also known as recyclers. Bacteria, fungi, or examples for decomposers. Food web. The food chains of an ecosystem are interconnected to each other and form a web. This system of interconnected food chains is called food web. Aphids, a kind of insects which are grown by ants for honeydew, are called aphids. Honeydew, a sugary substance excreted by a kind of insects called aphids, is known as honeydew. Pond skater, a kind of insect which can walk on water surface and feeds on its prey that are trapped on the water surface, is called pond skater. Food habit, the type of food taken and the way of taking in food by an organism together known as its food habit. These are the key concepts and their definitions from Unit 3 Animals and Their Food. In next video, we will discuss key concepts and their definitions from Unit 4 Water. Till then, wish you all the best, dear children. Keep watching Kalam Club Science lessons presented by Biology Digital Buddy. This is Meda Prasad, biology teacher, signing off now. We'll meet you in next video. Bye.